Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily create a logo for your Android application. So let's start. First, what you want to do, we are going to use a program called Canva. It's a site, it's a web app. You will have a link in the description. And then what we are going to do, I'm going to click on the create design and write here a logo. Okay, so here I have it. And first you are going to have templates here that you can use. But what I always recommend is go to Google Play, okay, and find what competition is using. So let's say that I'm going for apps and I'm going for games, okay? So games, and I'm going to write here League of Legends, or I don't know, and look for the first, like, I don't know, 10 of League of Legends logos, what they are using, how it looks like. So that's kind of what you should do. I don't mean you should inspire, but what I would recommend is the colors needs to be much deeper. But let's say that you don't making games, you are making applications about I don't know, how to exercise, okay? And you see, like, these are really good. But you see, this one was made in Canva, I think. And I will show you how they made it. So let's see that I'm seeing this one. Like, these one are pretty hard. You need to pay some designer. What you can do, like, this is okay. No, make really similar like these, and you will get instant downloads. Just recommendation. Everyone is doing that. So what he did here, I will show you. What is it? Okay. And let's find it. Recently used. See this one here. So again, what I would do, I would just rotate this here. Okay. So if I have like exercise application, now what I would do, I would change the background. I would change the color of this to, like, okay, background to white. And now also I would add the elements and shapes, and like this here. Or like circle is better. Circle. And like this, and I would change the color to like red, and then I would just download it, and voila, I have logo for application. See that I would use. Another option is, like, let's say that you want to use different type of element here. So what I'm going to do, I will write here to elements, and I will write here exercise, and you see you got plenty of options to use it. Like, you can use this one, and like many of them are paid, so you need to pay like €1 if you like to use like this or this one here. If you're making yoga, you need to pay €1, but it's possible to use them if you want to, and I don't think that €1 is too much. And let's say that I'm going to also create a yoga. You see that what I'm talking about? Let's say that I'm going to use this one here, or I don't know, this one here. I will just pay €1 for it, and voila, here I have it. So this is like really simple how you can create a logo. Then you can inspire yourself by looking on a like computer logo and find something. It's really up to you, but what I recommend is always try to focus on creating rather than trying to find really good logo. Your goal is to for your application users to use the app as much as possible. That's your goal, and logo is not going to be that big of the deal. So that's kind of it. If you're good, you will win, period. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Have a great day, and see ya.